Good day everybody, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today I am going to show you how to install AC1 Crynation 2021, which adds ray tracing and a lot of graphics to your AC1. So to get started, we will install Reshade. It is just a very necessary thing to get our ray tracing work. So to do so, click on select game, go to browse, and you will go to your AC1 folder, which is somewhere you install it. Select DirectX 9 and click on DirectX 9. As it says, it already exists because I already installed it. I won't bother installing it again. The next thing you are going to do is put our preset. So in here you have two types of preset, which one is for RTGI and the other is for without RTGI, which does not require any RTGI shader. So if you don't have RTGI, you can just you can just drag and drop in your folder. But in case if you want to use RTGI, you should also you will have to drag it into your game folder, but there's something else you have to do. And what you have to do, well, you have to install RTGI by Pascal Glitcher into your game, into your Reshape. So you just have to drag files in here. I'm not going to show you since this is still in beta condition. So you'll have to get RTGI shader from Pascal Glitcher in Patreon. Now once you do that, the next step is to install textures. Well, you have two, texture and texture mod. Download texture, open up texturemod.exe, then browse your video game. And next you have textures. Well, what do you have to do? Well, you just have to click on here, click browse, and you can select ac1.tpf. So click on that and click run, and this will turn your game on. If you have a slower hard disk, it's going to take a little time since the textures are quite high quality. But if you do have a speedy hard disk or maybe an SSD, it shouldn't take too long. It just depends on your PC power. And here we are, it started. Click on home, and from here you can select your game preset, even the reshape preset. So I'm just going to select cinematic.ini, which is cinematic and suitable for all kind of condition of graphics, so it's just good. Is the okay? I think the game sound is too much. Lower that. All right. Skip intro. And I'm just going to show you the game and a little setting that is left here, so just don't skip the video. So let's just start the game. Now about the fix, well, you just have to go to your DirectX 9. Now about the preset first, well, there are different presets if you want to use them. Cinematic is used for every single location and situation, but if you want, you can choose such as Acre or Damascus, which are especially made for those locations. Now if you have any issue with graphics, make sure you have copy depth buffer before clear operation turned on, and this, because if you turn this off, look, this is not working. This is not how it's supposed to look like. This is plain. So click on this, and here our details will work and the game is working. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you did like it and helped you install this game and stuff. See you later. Goodbye.